Comprehensive Hydroponic Herb Companion Planting Guide. Introduction. Hydroponic herb companion planting involves growing compatible herbs together in a soilless environment, optimizing growth conditions for each plant. This method offers several benefits, including efficient use of space, improved plant health, and enhanced flavors due to the symbiotic relationships between herbs. It is an ideal solution for any space, whether large or small, and can be adapted to various indoor or outdoor environments, making it accessible to growers of all experience levels. What is hydroponic herb companion planting? A method of growing herbs together to maximize nutrient uptake, naturally deter pests, enhance biodiversity and resilience, optimize space for confined environments. Benefits of hydroponic herb companion planting. Enhanced nutrient uptake, complementary root systems boost absorption. Natural pest control, certain herbs repel pests, reducing the need for pesticides. Flavor improvements, proximity enhances herb taste profiles. Space efficiency, grow multiple herbs in tight spaces. Ecosystem balance, promotes biodiversity for better resilience. Choosing compatible herb companions. Growth rates, pair herbs with similar growth speeds. Nutrient needs, match herbs with the same nutrient requirements. Flavor pairing, combine herbs with complementary flavors. Pest management, use herbs that repel pests or attract beneficial insects. Space utilization, ensure compatible spatial needs. Common mistakes in hydroponic herb companion planting. Overcrowding, leads to nutrient competition and growth issues. Incorrect pH levels, impacts nutrient uptake and plant health. Inadequate lighting, causes stunted growth and poor yields. Neglecting maintenance, results in clogs, imbalances, and pest issues. Selecting the right hydroponic system. Deep water culture, DWC, simple, beginner-friendly. Nutrient film technique, NFT, ideal for leafy greens and herbs. Media-based systems, versatile for various herbs using mediums like coconut coir. Aeroponic systems, mist roots, promotes rapid growth for delicate plants. Basic requirements for hydroponic herb companion plants. Lighting, 12 to 16 hours daily for herbs like basil and parsley. Temperature, 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, with 50 to 60% humidity. Nutrient solutions, balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Water quality, contaminant-free water, pH 5.5 to 6.5. Air circulation, prevents mold and supports healthy growth. Best hydroponic herbs for companion planting. Basil, enhances flavor and repels pests. Mint, deters pests and adds aroma. Cilantro, attracts beneficial insects. Thyme, resilient with natural pest control. Oregano, hardy with robust pest repellent properties. Pruning and maintenance of hydroponic herbs. Regular pruning promotes growth and airflow. Use sharp, clean tools to prevent damage. Remove yellow or dead leaves to avoid attracting pests. Pest and disease control in hydroponic gardens. Inspect plants regularly for pests or diseases. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Use organic solutions for pest and disease management. Sanitize tools and systems to prevent contamination. Harvesting tips for hydroponic herb companions. Timing, harvest before flowering for peak flavor. Pruning technique, snip above leaf pairs to encourage growth. Frequency, regular harvesting promotes continuous production. Storage, use airtight containers, freeze, or dry herbs for longevity. Conclusion. Hydroponic herb companion planting is a sustainable and efficient method for growing thriving, flavorful herbs. With proper care and planning, it creates a resilient ecosystem, maximizes space, and delivers rewarding results. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means so much and helps our channel grow. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!